Hello guys, this is A from doc.online.progress, and before we jump in, here is the official page of Creality. The company gives clear product info, safety notes, and updates for both the A1 and the A1 Pro. It's a source for downloads, specs, and everything you need before buying. Here is a quick feature overview. The A1 offers a simple architecture built for light engraving and quick configuration. The A1 Pro adds a higher accessory capacity, air assist, and more advanced control interface. Today I'm comparing the Creality A1 and the A1 Pro. I'll unbox them at the same time and set them up. Here are both boxes, sealed and ready. We will unbox them together to keep the comparison fair. Let's open both machines. On the left the A1, on the right the A1 Pro. You can already see the Pro comes with more modules, more cabling, and additional accessories for advanced workflows. Watching both unboxings side by side makes it clear what you get in each model. The A1 is straightforward and minimal. The A1 Pro ships with more parts because of the extra safety systems and accessory ports. Both units are packed securely, but the Pro uses more layered protection due to the additional components. This is the A1 out of the box. Simple layout and clean build. The manual is clear, straight to the point, and useful for first-time users. Assembly is quick. Most components slide or lock into place. No special tools required. Alignment uses preset markers. The head positions accurately and the mechanical tolerances are tight. Connecting to the PC is easy. Plug the cable, pick the port, and the software recognizes it right away. Before running the first test, here's a quick look of the Falcon design space. This software handles job preparation, power levels, path preview, and material presets. The interface gives full control of speed, intensity, and motion planning. The layout is clean and the workflow is simple, which helps a lot when learning both the A1 and the A1 Pro. Here's a paper test to check precision. Lines are clean and movement is smooth. Here's a quick summary of the A1. It is simple, fast to learn, and accurate enough for most hobby tasks. The downside is the lack of advanced tools. Executing a firmware upgrade. The update flashes quickly and the controller restarts without delay. The calibration process adjusts the head offset and ensures consistent focus across the workspace. Here is an engraving test on wood. The detail is solid for a machine in this class. Good contrast and predictable burn pattern at moderate power. Now I have just created a small wooden phone stand. Cuts are steady and the final piece fits well. Now let's move on to the A1 Pro. Here's the manual, like A1, the touchscreen, the power adapter, cables and the security key, the air pump, the alignment paper and the test wood, and here's the camera. The A1 Pro offers more capability, has a touchscreen, has a dual laser 20W plus 2W IR, better camera support, super fast speed, and flame detection. Here you can see the two USB-C ports, the air port, the rotary accessory port, the emergency stop button, and the connector for the touchscreen. Now I'm connecting the power cable, adding the security key, and hooking up the air pump. Time to connect the display. It snaps in cleanly. This is the 2W IR laser. On the first boot, the A1 Pro gives on-screen instructions. Set the language, pick the Wi-Fi, find your region, scan the QR to download the application, execute the firmware upgrade. Executing a firmware upgrade is the same as the A1. The update flashes quickly and the controller restarts without delay. Now, after the upgrade, let's navigate the system. here's the flame detection test. The sensor identifies abnormal flame activity and triggers an instant shutdown. The laser stops, motion halts, and the machine enters protection mode to prevent damage or fire risk. These are the final test pieces. The A1 shows consistent engraving but slower cutting. The A1 Pro delivers sharper edges and deeper cuts at higher speeds due to air assist and improved airflow. Here are the test pieces made using both machines. So which one is better? Here's a quick direct comparison. The A1 is simpler and easier for beginners. The A1 Pro is more capable and more precise. Pick the A1 if you want a light entry into engraving. Pick the A1 Pro if you want better tools and room to grow. We end on the official website. Thanks to Creality for supplying both machines and for the time allowed to run full testing. Learning each system took work and effort, but once configured, both delivered solid performance.